Hi everyone, this is Game of Drones. We are on a road trip to Wayanad, which is in Kerala. Yes, you heard it right, the God's own country. We left Bangalore at 6 in the morning and had breakfast at Mysore, and currently we are at Bandipur Forest Road. Bandipur Forest Road is the shortest and most scenic route to reach Wayanad from Mysore, where you can sight wild animals chilling along the roadside. Also note that Bandipur Forest Road is available for public transport from morning 6 am to night 9 pm. So if you are planning to travel at night, it's not possible. ಫೈನಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಡೆಸ್ಟಿನೇಷನ್ ರೀಚ್ ಆದ್ವಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ಟೀ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟೇಶನ್ ಗುರು. ನನಗಂತೂ ಯಾವುದೋ ಡ್ರೀಮಿ ಐಲ್ಯಾಂಡಿಗೆ ಬಂದಂಗೆ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದಿನ ರೂಟ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೇಗೆ ಇನ್ 2 kilometers ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ವಿ ಸಾ ದಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಡ್ ಟ್ರೈಲ್ ವಿಚ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಡಿಸೈಡೆಡ್ ಟು ಡಂಪ್ ಅವರ್ ಲಗೇಜಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಲೇಟರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಡೇ, ದ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಪಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲೇಜ್. ನಾನು ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮಚ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಟಿಲ್ ದ ಸನ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ. Thanks to our new friend Shion for helping me with the drone shots, and also we met a YouTuber called Water Soul. So let's hear it from her.
So what's happening behind me? Yeah, it's Game of Drones. That is Trevor Pudding and another travelers. Yeah. They're having much fun. We are watching it. Please watch us also. Please, me and Miss Cutie.
The best part of the glamping village was its nightlife. It was totally a different vibe. Good morning everyone. So ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ we are trying the longest zip line in Wayanad, and there's another off-road trail to the hilltop and one unexplored place which is suggested by Water Soul. ಆಮೇಲೆ we are leaving to Bangalore at 6 so that we can cross Bandipur Forest Road before the gate closes. ನಾವಿದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಸ್ಟೇ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ದೇ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮೀ 1700 per person with breakfast and dinner. Food was also delicious. So ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಗ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಜೊತೆ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂದರೆ if you are looking for a budget stay in hilltop, so this is the one you should consider. Especially for the bikers like me, pakka you will enjoy this off-road trail near the property in Glamping village. And also check out the video on Water Soul's YouTube channel for the full review of this place. Link will be in the description. bye bye Glamping village and let's begin our day 2's journey. Let's go.